Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every one of us, the inner voice and stress management. Life can be overwhelming, but with the right mindset, we can conquer stress and find inner peace. So, let's explore how to nurture our inner voice and master stress management. Our inner voice is that constant chatter inside our minds. The thoughts, beliefs, and self-talk that shape how we perceive the world and ourselves. Often, it's this inner voice that triggers stress. To connect with your inner voice, take a moment each day to sit quietly and listen. Be mindful of your thoughts without judgment. Once we're attuned to our inner voice, we can identify negative self-talk patterns. You know, those self-critical and limiting beliefs that hold us back. Acknowledge them, and remember, you are not your thoughts. Challenge those negative beliefs with evidence of your strengths and accomplishments. One of the most powerful tools to combat stress is self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd show a dear friend facing a tough time. Embrace your imperfections, and remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Embracing self-compassion creates a safe space for growth and healing. Now, let's talk about stress management techniques. Mindfulness is a powerful practice to ground ourselves in the present moment. Engage in activities that bring you joy and focus on them fully. Whether it's painting, dancing, or simply breathing deeply, be present and savor the experience. As humans, we thrive when we connect with others. Building a support system is crucial for stress management. Reach out to friends, family, or even professionals if needed. Sharing our burdens lightens the load and reminds us that we're not alone in this journey. Remember, my dear friends, you have the power to transform your inner voice and master stress management. Nurture self-compassion, practice mindfulness, and embrace your support network. You are resilient, and you can overcome any challenge life throws your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Also, subscribe to our channel, PepTalk SelfTalk, for more empowering content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are amazing, and your inner voice can be your greatest ally. Stay tuned for more PepTalk SelfTalk, where we explore the depths of self-discovery and personal growth. Sending you all love and positivity. Take care, and until next time.